Hello and welcome to Microsoft Copilot course, and thanks for choosing this course. This course is about Microsoft Copilot, which is the real game changer for productivity for end users, business users and overall organization. Please note that this course is not for developers. For developers, more aligned course is GitHub Copilot. Microsoft putting a lot of time, money and energy in the field of artificial intelligence, especially on Copilot. As Microsoft sees Copilot as real productivity game changer, so it is the right time to ride on the bus. As Microsoft Copilot is quite new and things are changing very fast since its announcement in March 2023. I will try my best to keep this course up to date every month with new updates, so you can see new demonstrations every month. To learn and use Microsoft Copilot, you do not need any hardcore IT skills. Just gear up to gain from productivity with the help of Copilot. Before going deeper into product, let me introduce myself. My name is Neeraj. I have total experience of 23 years experience on various Microsoft products, especially on Microsoft Dynamics and artificial intelligence. I am working on Copilot since its announcement in March 2023. I am also Microsoft certified trainer since 2006. Let's start our learning journey from here. Benefits of the Copilot. We should invest our time and money only on those things that give us return on investment. And Copilot is one of them. Let's talk about what Copilot can do for you before we see things into action. Copilot can draft emails, Copilot can summarize emails, Copilot can summarize Microsoft Team meetings, it can pick golden keywords and sentiments from Microsoft Teams meeting. Copilot can help you prepare for upcoming meetings. Copilot can generate project plans for you from project descriptions. Copilot can summarize opportunities. Copilot can analyze and visualize your data. Copilot can write business proposals. Copilot can generate FAQ. Copilot can generate animated PPT. Copilot can create chatbots. Copilot can write code for you. Copilot can make low-code apps for you. Copilot can write DAX queries for you in Power BI. This list is quite long as Copilot is spreading its wings fast in many products. What is Microsoft Copilot? Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant that aims to provide personalized assistance to users for a range of tasks and activities which save a lot of time and energy. It enhances agent or end user or business user productivity and creativity. Microsoft announced Copilot in March 2023. Since announcement, Microsoft updating news about its availability and pricing etc. In July, Microsoft announced its price of 30 USD per user per month. Although Microsoft 365 Copilot is not generally available to all, but is available under paid preview to selected customers. We will talk in depth about this in coming sections. Since March 2023, Microsoft also made announcements about Copilot in Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Power Platform and updating them on regular basis. It is continuous release and improvement journey for Copilot for Microsoft 365, Copilot for Dynamics, Copilot for Security, Copilot for Power Platform, and Copilot for Windows. Let's first talk about some general terms before diving deep into Copilot. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a system or software to do tasks that are usually done by human because they require human intelligence. Copilot is an AI assistant. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. It enables computers to understand and interpret human language. It is used in chatbots and virtual assistant. NLP is what you are using when you interact with Copilot. Generative AI create new written and visual content by way of existing data or input by humans, known as prompts. ChatGPT from OpenAI is generative AI. Copilot is also based on generative AI. When we work without AI, we start from scratch and deliver average results. But when we make use of AI Copilot in our work, we work from an advanced and smart stage and also deliver more innovative and better results, even in less time. So we can say Copilot help us in gaining productivity. How Copilot works. Let's understand LLM, semantic index, and Microsoft Graph first. Large language models. Large language model LLM are artificial intelligence models that are specialized in understanding and generating human-like text. Large in LLM means size of models in terms of number of parameters, larger volume of data on which they are trained. Semantic index for Copilot. The semantic index for Copilot constructs a detailed map of your personal and company data, establishing important connections and identifying significant relationships. Mimic your human brain. The reason I am not going into too much depth as of now, as this course is majorly for end users and business users. Microsoft Graph. Microsoft Graph is all your Microsoft 365 services and data together. Now we talk about Copilot. Copilot applies Microsoft Graph and semantic index to synthesize and search content from multiple sources within your tenant. Copilot consider user permissions, data security, and compliances. It only generates responses based on information you are allowed to access. It achieves this through Microsoft Graph. Copilot powerful capabilities always align with your company security and privacy policies. A user asks a question or prompt in an app like Word, Excel, Outlook, or Teams. Copilot prepare this input using method known as grounding. This ensures that responses are specific and relevant to your task. Here, Copilot consult Microsoft Graph to gather related data from your organization, keeping security in mind. It is how Copilot combines the user data and other relevant sources like knowledge base articles to refine the question for more accurate answer. With improved input, Copilot consult the large language model or LLM to generate an initial answer. Before sending back, Copilot further refine the answer by checks against Microsoft Graph, responsible AI, security assessment, and compliance checks. Finally, Copilot offers relevant suggestion back to the user along with any actionable commands. The results that you see are closely tied to your organization's specific data, ensuring relevance and context. All this is good to know, but from an end user perspective, no deep dive is required. Just use Copilot and enjoy Copilot. Since as a user you provide prompts, better prompts can lead to better results. Please note following facts for prompts. Prompts are written in a natural language and should be precise and detailed. Mention specific context. Define what output is expected. For example, you want presentation or you want a document. As discussed earlier, in context of Microsoft 365, if you are using Copilot with Dynamics 365 or Power Platform, we can make use of Dataverse to fetch results. Whole ecosystem of Microsoft Copilot is built on top of Microsoft Azure OpenAI. Like all AI systems, Microsoft Copilot also have few limitations. Like AI produce contents and output may contain inaccuracies, biases, or sensitive material because they were trained on information from internet as well as other sources. So please remember, Copilot gives us suggestions that you need to review before use. Microsoft Copilot versus Bing Chat versus ChatGPT. ChatGPT versus Bing Chat. ChatGPT is based on GPT 3.5 and cannot access internet. It is trained on data till September 2021, so it does not have access to latest information. ChatGPT Plus, which is paid version, is based on GPT 4.0 and also have option to access internet. ChatGPT does not have access to your organization data, which is in Microsoft 365 tenant, Dynamics 365. This is a major point to note at this point of time. There are several differences between ChatGPT and Bing Chat. Bing uses a more advanced version of GPT model for its chat feature, which gives it advantage over ChatGPT. Bing can also generate images. Bing, being a search engine, can access web results and up-to-date information, while ChatGPT does not have knowledge of recent events. ChatGPT offers a plus subscription for priority access and other benefits over free tier, while Bing is totally free to use. Bing Chat is based on GPT 4.0 and can connect to internet. Bing and ChatGPT are both are AI chatbots that rely on large language models known as GPT. Bing offers three chat modes: creative, balanced, and precise, while ChatGPT does not have any setting or fine tuning options. How Copilot is different from ChatGPT and Bing Chat. Copilot, in a way, connect ChatGPT with Microsoft 365. It combines the power of large language models with your data in Microsoft Graph, including your calendar, email, chats, documents, meeting, and much more information. You can access Copilot from Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Dynamics 365 apps like Sales, Marketing, Service. Please note, major difference is Copilot has access to tenant and Microsoft 365 data, whereas Bing Chat and ChatGPT cannot access your Microsoft 365 data. This is the reason Copilot comes at heavy price as compared to free ChatGPT and free Bing Chat. Copilot prompts and responses are processed entirely within your Microsoft 365 tenant boundary along with other Microsoft 365 specific security, compliance, and privacy features. Let's talk about Copilot availability now. General availability. It means features are in stable stage. It is available to all for use, either free or paid. Sales Copilot is one of the example. Public preview features are not meant for production use and may have restricted functionality. These features are available before an official release so that customer can get early access and provide feedback. There may be region availability and supported languages. It generally starts in US and in English language. So I recommend, please note that I recommend whenever you want to try any feature which is in public preview, you can make trials in US region. You will see this in my demonstrations as well. For example, Dynamics 365 customer service is in public preview. Private preview. Private preview. During this phase, Microsoft invite a few customers to take part in early access to new features. Based on the feedback from this enterprise customer, they move features into public preview for larger access and further feedback. Microsoft 365 Copilot currently is in paid private preview. So we have talked much about Copilot in theory. Let's see things in action now.